Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Good morning.
Yes?
My name is Earlene Baggett Hayes. I am the Blight Court Magistrate, and thank you for calling in today. What is your name, please?
Daniel Bartush, B-A-R-T-U-S-H?
Bartush.
Correct.
Mr. Bartush, which property are you calling regarding today?
I'm calling about Cedardale LLC, 289.
Is 289 the address?
The address is 289 Cedardale Avenue.
Okay, thank you. Well, again, thanks for calling in today. I assume that we're not going to see you. We're going to be hearing from you, correct?
Correct. I'm 80 years old. I don't do any of this fancy
Okay.
stuff.
Okay, and that's fine, Mr. Bartush. So you'll be hearing from the city of Pontiac regarding what they consider, what the concerns are, and then you will have an opportunity to speak on your own behalf, okay?
Okay.
So let's hear from the city first. Go ahead, city, and they will introduce themselves, city representatives.
All right.
Hi, my name is Tammy Cooper. I'm a code enforcement officer for the city of Pontiac.
And my name is Matt Behrens. I'm just a recording reporter here.
Okay.
Right, Runner Code Enforcement Officer.
All right.
And you're here because a blight ticket was issued for a rental inspection required.
That's right. I didn't register the house when I should have.
Okay, and I see that you've paid and you've scheduled inspection. Is that correct?
That's correct, for the 9th with the jack.
Okay.
May 9th.
I thank you for that, number one. Number two, my recommendation would be, all we're interested is in compliance. So I would be more than happy to get rid of this blight ticket.
All right.
But
Great.
it's
Yeah,
up to the
that
judge.
was
It's
my
up to the
fault.
judge.
It was totally my fault. I'm afraid of the virus, and I just stayed away from everybody and everything.
Okay, that sounds like a smart move, Mr. Bartush, but it sounds like you've taken care of it. So assuming that you have taken care of it, or you're
Yep.
in the process of taking care of it, I am going to dismiss the ticket. And thank you very much. You're welcome, and make it a great day, Mr. Bartush.
You guys too. You won't see me again.
Thank you. Well, seeing you is not all bad, but thank you.
All right. Is that it?
Yes, sir. You can disconnect now.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
I'm just trying to put in the disposition. Okay. All right. And we have another phone in here.
Good morning. Good morning. Is anyone on the line?
How come I can't hear?
Yes.
Oh, hi. My name is Earlene Baggett Hayes. I am the Blight Court Magistrate for the city of Pontiac. What is your name, please?
My name is Bridget Johnson, but I'm calling on behalf of my mother.
Okay.
Your speakers are disabled.
I'm sorry, Mr. Behrens.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because I can't hear you. Okay. No.
Recording.
Okay, just a second, Miss Johnson, I think you said. Mr. Behrens, were you saying something?
I was talking with Tammy. She's having a little bit of audio problems right this moment. If we could stand by for a second, we'll try and get this resolved.
Yes, Miss Johnson, please hold on.
Okay, will do.
No, why can I hear her?
So we can hear Ms. Cooper. Can she not hear us?
She can hear
Through yours.
through my speaker here. Our desks are a little distance apart. But I'm gonna turn mine up so she can hear it.
But she won't be able to hear me. Can you hear me talk?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So can you hear us?
I can through Matt's computer. I don't know what happened to mine.
Okay, wonderful. Ms. Johnson, are you still there?
I'm here.
Okay, and I was about to ask you which property you're calling on behalf of.
29 North Anderson, Pontiac 48342.
29 North Anderson.
Right.
I couldn't hear her.
Is the city ready to
Yes.
to address that property? Okay, so Ms. Johnson, what will happen is we'll hear from the city and they will indicate what their concern is, and then you will have an opportunity to respond. And by the way, is your mother there with you now?
What's the address?
No, my mother is has a doctor's appointment. She's 86 years old. This is kind of, giving her some anxiety. So I did go down to the city and I talked with the representatives there, and they said that I could represent my mother.
Okay, that's fine. So let's hear from the city and then you will have an opportunity to respond, Ms. Johnson.
I got it, man.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Tammy Cooper. Excuse me. I'm a code enforcement officer for the city of Pontiac. Matt, can you tell me who you are?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm the court reporter here today. My name's Matt Cairns.
This is Jermaine Brenner, Code Enforcement Officer, City of Pontiac.
And to me, it looks like you're here for an unregistered rental blight ticket. And looks like you have 3 of them.
Is that 3 tickets or 3 unregistered rentals?
It looks like 3 tickets. See, I have to make heads or tails out of this because some was paid. One is E201052, and that's for 300. And then E220325 is for 500 for unregistered rental. And then since then, it looks like you've paid to have it inspected, but it was never inspected. Is it a rental?
Yes.
Okay. Well, so what are your intentions?
Okay. So you asked me to speak now?
Yes.
Yes, you can speak now, Ms. Johnson.
Okay. This is a situation. It is a rental. This rental, my mother was confused. What happened, and I came in within, I would say, the last 6 weeks or so. What happened, he was under the impression that the house, the tenant is receiving Section 8. So the Housing Commission inspects the home. And so she was under the impression that that inspection was the inspection on the home. Let me just back up a little bit. My father, he passed in 2011. He took care of all the business on the house. Then, when it reverted to my mother, she was under the impression that because the house was being inspected by the Housing Commission under the Section 8 tenant rules, that was the inspection for the house. When I learned that there was a $300 charge for unregistered of the property, we paid the $300 because I acknowledged that she did not pay to register the home. It was my understanding that $300 represented the registration of the home. It's nowhere on this document that I'm reading did it say that the $300 was a fine only. You need to proceed to code enforcement to register the home. So I, along with my mother, was under the understanding that $300 registered the home. I didn't realize that an inspection had to be performed by the city of Pontiac, in addition to the Housing Commission performing an inspection. So then when my mom received another, notice for $500, we're like, we just paid $300. And so that's when I became, I got involved. I went down to the city. They explained to me that that was a fine only, that that there was an additional $100 that she had to pay to register the home, which I paid when I went down there. And I talked to someone who indicated that I need to attend this Blight court, because like I said, we thought that the inspection was, we didn't realize that it needed 2 inspections, one from the city and one from the Housing Commission under Section 8. And I'm still kind of confused about who is on first. So if the Housing Commission says that a repair needs, or the house is fine and the city says it's not, then, it's just very confusing. So my mom paid the $300 in addition to the $100 when we found out that we needed to have the house inspected. I'm still, in the midst of preparing to contact, after this is over, a representative from the city to come and inspect. So that's where the confusion, because we didn't know that it was an additional $100 that was owed to the city to register the home. We believe that $300 represented registration of the home, not of the home.
May I try to help you?
Yes.
Okay. The $300 Blight ticket and the $500 Blight ticket is because we didn't get a response from you or your mother regarding this rental property. The registration for the city of Pontiac, it's not the Housing Commission, it's the city of Pontiac Building Safety Department. It's $300 to register a home, and it's $100 for inspection. So it looks like that you've done everything you're supposed to do except for schedule the inspection.
Right. And I'm going to schedule. Like I said, I was just there last week, and I was just told what to do. I still work, so I had it, and my mother has health issues. So so I'm in the midst of calling to initiate someone to come and inspect the home. Like I said, it was a misunderstanding from my mother, because she believed that she didn't understand that there were 2 inspections. She thought that.
Yes, may I don't mean to be rude or to interrupt, but I think that we all, and thank you very much for your explanation. I think we all understand where the communication fault was. So it sounds like you've paid the $300 for the registration, or the ticket rather.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Tammy.
My recommendation is to adjourn this $500 ticket for 30 days. That's my recommendation to Your Honor.
Yes, and it also looks like you paid the $100 for the inspection, but the inspection does need to take place. So if this matter is adjourned for 30 days, that would give you an opportunity for that inspection to take place. But I just want to make certain that the city is comfortable that it can be done within that period of time.
I believe it can be. I also want to make a notation that I would like to remove this additional $300 off Blight ticket E201052. And remove that one and then just adjourn the $500 one for 30 days, which would be 5/5/2020.
Okay, and then again, Ms. Johnson, within that period, it would be incumbent upon you to make certain that that inspection gets done, okay? So we'll remove the $300 ticket. The $500 ticket is being basically held in abeyance, and we'll come back in approximately 30 days.
Okay, so I'm a little confused, and there's a $800 balance outstanding there, because we paid 300 already.
Right, and I'm asking Your Honor if I can remove the $300 ticket and just hold in abeyance the $500 ticket.
So no, there's not $800 being held at this point. It's $500 being held, Ms. Johnson.
Okay, so I'll call today to schedule an inspection.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, so good luck with that. And if everything is taken care of, you won't need to come back to another hearing. Just make certain that you're in contact with the city of Pontiac so that your records are consistent with their records, okay?
okay, so I just want to be really, really clear here. So we will have an inspection performed, and so if the inspection takes place prior to this 30-day, I don't have to come back. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, just give me a call. Do you have a pen and paper?
I'm ready.
It's 248-758.
I'm sorry,
Two-
758?
758-2826. And
282
again,
what?
I'm Tammy Cooper.
Tell me the last four again. I'm sorry, you're not really clear on the audio.
2826.
Okay, and your name is Tammy. Okay,
Thank you
okay.
for calling in, and make it a great day.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you. Bye now.
Thank you. I have Attorney Carrie Zanin coming in.
Good morning.
Good morning, counsel. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And which properties are you calling on behalf of?
I believe, well, I know that I'm here for E212976. It's the one I know about, but if there's others.
212976. City, do you have that property up for today?
I'm to search it. One moment.
No
It's
problem.
on 177 South Marshall, Tammy.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out.
Is there something else I can give you that will SK?
No, I have it. I have it.
Okay. Okay.
It's for rental inspection required.
Yep.
And that was not done.
It wasn't. We are in eviction. I filed an eviction on this late February, beginning of March. My hearing date, my first hearing date is June 1st. So I just need some time. And if you need, Tammy, I can send you a copy of the summons and complaint.
No, that's not necessary. This is $100 ticket, and that's, when's your court date?
Not till June 1st. So if you would rather we just pay the $100 ticket and then try to get it in compliance once I can
No,
get.
I'd rather adjourn it. I mean, my recommendation is to adjourn till June 2nd.
June 1st is my first date though, but I mean, I'll do whatever you want. Do you know what I'm saying? I can give you an update. This is how the court works now since COVID. They set it for
Right.
a first hearing on my eviction stuff. So
And look,
it's up to you.
I have June 16th too.
Okay, let's try the June 16th date then.
Okay, we'll adjourn this matter until June 16th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure.
Can I ask Tammy, are there any other ones that are up that I'm unaware of that I can?
Matt, can you check why I put in this position? Matthew? Okay. Can you check to see if there's any more SK condos, SK anything? Yeah.
Nothing else on the list.
Not for today.
Not for today. Okay, thank you so much.
Make it a great day, council.
Have a great day, everybody. It was nice seeing everybody. Stay
You as
well.
well.
Thank you.
Okay, I have no one in the waiting room yet, so I'm gonna stop recording.